get that. Sounds a lot like my name.
Yeah, there you go.
Like when I was little, that's what they called me.
Maddie.
Oh wait.
You're Waylon or Willie or what's your name? Oh, Wyatt. That's right.
Yes,
Yeah.
the horse's name.
You have a horse named Willie?
No, that's his horse's name.
That's a horse named Willie? Oh.
Is your favorite soda Olivia?
Right this second, yes.
Yeah.
There's
like
no
that
other
beer.
choice.
Send him down there, Kenny, and then go ahead and get the
Really
gate.
good with vanilla ice cream. That's my favorite thing. How about you?
They
You like
make ice cream bars like that now.
Fruit beer float. The Swan Man brings fruit beer float ice cream bars.
But yes, it is my favorite soda.
It's my favorite.